Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Srinivasan Developer. We are looking into entity framework tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the existence of the rows in the table. Okay, so for that, I just created a table called tuition fee in the same database. So in the tables, we have no row. As you can see, we have no row. So let's write the entity framework statement to know the existence of the rows in the table. For that, I'm going to use any method. That's it. Let's run the project now. As you can see in the result, we have false, right? So because this table contains no rows, okay, does not contain any rows. And if I insert rows into the table, we have two rows now. So let's check. Let's find the existence now. This time we are getting true because we have rows. This any method helps us to find the existence of rows in the table, and also we can write condition inside the any method as a parameter to find the existence of particular rows. Like, so I'm going to find the details of tuition fee of the student whose ID is 4. Okay, now we have two students in the database. One is 1 and 4. So let's check now. Yeah, this time we are getting true because we have the student tuition fee detail, right? So this is how you can find the existence of rows from the table, rows in the table, or you can find the existence of particular rows in the table, right? So in the next video, I'll come up with a different topic of entity framework tutorials. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.